So guys, good morning everyone. Am I audible? Hello? Yeah guys, am I audible? Okay, so let's begin the session now guys, everyone. So guys, what is Azure Databricks? What is Azure Databricks? So guys, what is Azure Databricks? So Azure Databricks is nothing but guys, it is it is a cloud service. It is a cloud service, guys. It is a cloud service. Azure Databricks is a cloud service. Okay, guys. Azure Databricks is a cloud service wherein it provides the following task. We can achieve it here by using the Databricks. Okay, guys. So first of all, what is Azure Databricks? Azure is the name used by the Microsoft. Everyone, Azure is the name used by the Microsoft to market their cloud services, guys. To market their cloud services, guys. To market their cloud services, we use what is that Azure as the name here. Then we have what guys Databricks. So what is Databricks? Databricks is nothing but it is actually the Databricks can be used with any of it. That means either we can use it with the Azure or else we can use it with the okay guys we can use it with the Azure or else we can also use the Databricks the concept of Databricks. We can also use it with what GCP, that is Google Cloud Platform. We can use the concept of that is the Databricks with the what is that you have it GCP and as well as the guys GCP we can use it and Amazon Web Services we can use it, but here we are using the Databricks for the Azure, guys. Databricks for the Azure. So we are using what Azure Databricks. That means we are using guys Azure Databricks. That means Databricks is nothing but it is provided with a Spark cluster. Okay, guys, it is provided with the Spark cluster which can process the millions and trillions and records within a very short span. That is within a couple of seconds. Within a couple of seconds, it can process the data. That is the reason why we go with what Databricks. That's the reason why we go with what guys Databricks. So Azure Databricks is nothing but it is used to process the data very faster. Okay, hence this is one of the cloud service, guys. And using this cloud service, what we can do, guys, we can perform the following task. What is it? We can say data migration, then we can go with what data migration, data integration. Then guys, we can go with what data summarization and as well as the data visualization. We can go with the data visualization as well, guys. We can go with the data visualization as well. So we can use the Azure Databricks, guys. Azure Databricks for the following. That is Azure Databricks is nothing but the Azure is nothing but the name used by the Microsoft to market their cloud services, guys. Just like the Bor supermarket. Bor supermarket is actually it is owned by whom? Guys, by the Birla Group. Am I right? It is owned by the Birla Group. Am I right? It is owned by the Birla Group, guys. It is owned by the Birla Group. Okay. So in the same way, we can say, guys, the Birla is marketing their grocery stores with the name called what? More. In the same way, Azure is the name used by the Microsoft to market their cloud services. So we can say Azure Databricks. So guys, here you have the Azure Databricks is the cloud services. It is the cloud service wherein using this cloud service, we can perform the job of data migration, guys. Then we can also perform the job of data integration, guys. Then we can also perform the job of data summarization. Then also we can perform the job of what data visualization. So these are all the things we can do it, guys. And when it comes to this, everyone, when it comes to this, guys, okay, what are the things you have it? When it comes to this, we can say, guys, what is data migration? Let's try to see this. Okay, so I will tell you these four things, guys. What are all these things with the help of an example? Okay, So guys, everyone, so we have also data migration, data integration, data summarization, and data visualization. So guys, what do you mean by migration? Migration is nothing but moving the data, guys. Moving out the data. Migration is nothing but what? Moving out the data. You will have an option called move in your mobile phone also, guys. If you select some 5 to 10 pictures, okay, and if you click on move, it will ask you where to move. So you can move the data from your mobile memory to what is it, guys? Mobile memory to what? Your Google Drive memory. Am I right? Or your iCloud memory. In the same way here also, guys, data migration is nothing but it is a process where we move the data from what is it, guys? On premises. What is it? We move the data from the on premise to what's it, guys? Cloud environment. On premises to what's it, guys? On premises. So it is a process where we use that we move the data from what's it? On premises environment to the cloud environment. To the cloud environment. On-premises environment to the cloud environment. So guys, it is a process where, guys, it is a process where we move the data from the on-premises environment to the cloud environment. Out-premises environment to the cloud environment. That is called as what, guys? So my data migration. For example, guys, here you have a data stored in your desktop of the computer. So from the desktop computer desktop, the computer desktop, guys, from the computer desktop, everyone, from the computer desktop, you wanted to move the data to your Google Drive. So this process is called as what? Your desktop will become what? On premises. And you're moving the data towards it, guys, cloud. So you can say on premises to cloud, guys. On premises towards it, guys, cloud. So we can say moving of the data from the on premises towards it, cloud environment. Moving the data from the on premises towards it, guys, cloud environment is called as what? Data migration. The next one, what's it? You have it, guys, data integration. So for this, I will tell you a good example, guys, because we don't move much technically on these demo sessions. So I'm just taking a simple example, guys. Now here you have it. So let us say you have been to a Reliance Fresh supermarket, Reliance Fresh, or else you can say nowadays it's also called as Reliance Smart. Wherein what are the type of products you'll have it, guys? You'll have vegetables, and then you'll have what's it, guys? Clothing, and then you will also have what's it, guys? Groceries, and then you will have what's it? Even the footwear is also there. All, almost all, A to Z, everything products you can find it here. But now, guys, all of them are, see, vegetables is who provides the vegetables? The farmers. They get it from the farmers. And clothing from what's it, guys? Manufacturers. And what is the groceries? Groceries also mostly, okay, you can say if it is that is rice or this thing, grams, it will be provided by the farmers, or if you have some soaps, shampoos, etc., it is from the manufacturers. So we can say the same. And your footwear means purely manufacturers, it is provided by the manufacturers. So from all of them, can you see here, from all of them, the Reliance Fresh or Smart will be gathering these and keep it under the one roof. For what? For the purpose of facilitation of the consumers. So that if the consumer comes to their store, they should able to find, or they should able to, yes, guys, they should able to find, or they should able to get all the things, guys. That means at a one step, they should able to get or find the things, all the things at one step. That is, they need not approach multiple places. They need not approach, what's it, guys? Multiple places. They need not approach multiple places for getting the things here. Okay, that is called as what, guys? That is called as what? Yeah, for getting the multiple things. Okay, guys. So that is called as what, guys, everyone? That is called as the, yeah, integration. Integration. That means getting the things from various places and keeping it a place. So data integration is also same, where the data is stored wherever it is stored. Gathering the data and keeping it a place is called as what, guys? Data integration. That's it. Okay. And providing it to the user whenever the user needs it, we can provide the same. Hence, it is called as what? Integration. That's it, guys. The next one, what is it you have it, guys? Data summarization. This is the very next important one, guys. I will take another example for this. Guys, suppose the same example we'll take here. Okay, Reliance Smart will take it. Okay, guys. In the same way, guys, I'm just checking up here. So, guys, the task of the day here, you wanted to, guys, the task of the day, you wanted to, guys, everyone, you wanted to prepare the veg curry. So for preparing this veg curry, you have been to the Reliance Fresh to get some things. So what you will do? Will you buy the vegetables? Of course, you will buy the vegetables. That means product number one, you will buy it. You'll buy the clothes, guys. For, can you see here, guys? For preparing the veg curry, do you require the clothes? Not required. Do you require the groceries? Okay, we require even the groceries. So we can say, guys, we take, what's it? Product number one and two. Footwear is needed to prepare the veg curry, not needed. So now, out as per our requirement, I'm picking up the required things. Am I right? So this is called as what, guys? This is called as what? Extraction. It is called as what? Extraction. Now the next one, guys. You have purchased the vegetables and groceries, and now you bought them home. So after getting them home, what you will do, guys? So vegetables, will you eat them in the raw form? No. As a human, we don't eat the raw food. So what is that we need to do? We need to convert that raw food to some form. We have to perform some process. What's that? Cleaning of the vegetables, guys. Cleaning or washing, whatever you say. Then cutting and chopping. Cow cleaning, washing, cutting, chopping. Then you have what's it, guys? Cleaning, washing, cutting, chopping. Then you have what's it, guys? Then you have what's it? Start the cooking process. So, guys, as a human, we don't eat the raw food. So, what we are doing? We are converting the raw vegetables to what's it? Cooked form to eat it. Am I right? So now this process of converting the raw food or the raw edible items to the cooked form or human edible form, this is called as the process of what, guys? Technically, we can say this is the process of what? Transformation. And now, once it is done, now your veg curry is ready, guys. Your veg curry is ready. What you will do? Tell me now, guys, everyone. You will eat the veg curry. That means the veg curry is ready here and you will eat the veg curry. You will eat the veg curry. So eating of the veg curry is what, guys, ultimately, yes, guys, eating of the veg curry is what? Ultimately the process of what? Your final task. Your final task is what, guys? Your final task is to eat the veg curry. So now you eat the veg curry. So this is called as the process of what? Technically loading. Technically, this is called as a process of what, guys? Loading. It is called a process of what? Loading. So now, guys, so overall, this process, we call it as what, guys? Extraction E. Transformation T. Loading, what's that, guys? L. So we say what's ETL. So the guys, this process of extraction, transformation, and loading, we do it here. Now, the last one, what's that? You have data visualization. So what do you mean data visualization, guys? Data visualization is nothing, but it is the another process, guys. Once you eat the veg curry, suppose you have prepared two veg curries, guys. You have prepared two veg curries. Okay. You have prepared two veg curries here. Veg curry number one and veg curry number two. So, guys, you invited one of your friend as well. So he will taste the two veg curries. Am I right? He will taste the two veg curries. So will he pass some comments or not, guys? Yes. This curry is good. This is not so good. Something he will say, na? That means talking about the taste of the curry. That means comparing, guys, comparing the veg curry one with what is it, guys? Veg curry two. comparing the veg curry 1 with the veg curry 2 here, guys. Comparing the veg curry 1 with the veg curry 2. Comparing the veg curry 1 with the veg curry 2, guys. So whenever this comparative study is done between these two, to take a decision, what is the decision? We take the decision that the veg curry number 1 is good and the veg curry number 2 is okay, average, something you will say now. So guys, so this is nothing but called as what, guys? This is called as what? Analysis of data. That means comparing one situation with what? The another situation to take a decision is called as what, guys? Analysis of data. That's it. Analysis of what, guys? Data. So here what we are doing, unknowingly you are performing the data visualization process, guys. So as a process, guys, here what we do, everyone, we perform the process of what, guys? We perform the process of the following process, that is data migration, data integration, data summarization, and the data visualization by using the Azure Databricks, okay, as a service. So here we are going to see the Azure Databricks, guys, with a language or with the language called what's it, guys? Databricks, or I can say Azure Databricks with the language called PySpark. PySpark includes what, guys? Python plus Spark. It includes what's it, guys? Python plus Spark. Python plus Spark language. You combine these two languages, you will get what's it? PySpark. So this is a very demanding one, what we have it in the market. So we are going to see the Azure Databricks with the PySpark coding, guys. Okay. Where we are going to see how to integrate it with various sources, etc., etc., guys. And every day you will have the session. Okay, for tomorrow, that is tomorrow and after, you will have this. We'll start the session at 8:30, and from mostly once we get the link paid and everything, we will start the session at 8 o'clock, guys. 8 to 9 will be our standard timing over of the session, guys. That's it. Okay. And about my experience, I have 10 plus years of experience, guys, and working from the past 5 years. I'm working with the cloud technology. Yeah. Any other doubt if you have, you can ask me, guys, please.
So we need both Python. We need to know Python and plus
You
Spark.
don't need to know. PySpark is enough, guys.
Oh, PySpark is different than Spark.
Yes, Spark and Python together is called PySpark. Spark is the same one.
Okay. Okay. To know in order to know PySpark, we don't need to know Spark.
Yeah, I
Right?
don't
Like,
need to know. Actually, you can do directly.
okay. So PySpark is kind of framework or what is that?
It's a language basically, using which you design
Okay.
the things.
Okay.
For the scripting purpose, we
So,
use this.
so will you be teaching PySpark?
Yes, I will teach the PySpark.
Because I don't have any this one programming language.
Yeah, yeah, it's not needed. I will show you that. No. Okay, guys.
So data migration means would you teach this DevOps as well?
No, we don't touch the DevOps basically. DevOps doesn't follow in our category. But migration is here. What we do is we take the various sources. We don't get the data from the repositories, but we get it from various sources, such as cross cloud computing means Snowflake, you have it, Amazon Web Services, you have it. In the same way, if you go ahead with this coding, okay, getting the data from the files, getting the data from the blob storage, that is the Azure storages, such as blob, etc. All this we are going to see.
Mhm. From multiple sources to
Yeah.
Azure ADLS, is it?
Yes. Okay. So that's it, ma. Thank you, everyone. We'll continue tomorrow at 8:30. Please just join the session by 8:30, everyone.
Yeah.
After 2 days, you will have we'll shift it from 8:30 to 8 o'clock, guys. And 8 to 9 will be our standard timings for the session. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, any other questions?